whether you can find out if your channel is shadow banned or not. So what this means being shadow banned is that a social media platform is not showing your videos to people. So you are basically not getting any views on your channel. So Lisa, this might also like, because you just said that like your new channel is not getting any views and this channel you mimic is getting like thousands of views. So you could think to yourself, maybe I am shadow banned. Very often people think they are shadow banned when they're not getting views, but very often the case is just that their topics aren't good, their niches maybe not good, or their titles and thumbnails are not good. And sometimes it's still like an algorithm, and YouTube is huge. So yeah, like the case very often is just that the topic you have made and the thumbnail and title is not good enough. And sometimes it's just like um you can tell why something is not or is working, right? For example, in your case, Lisa, where you mimic something that works very well and it doesn't work for you. So who knows like why one thing gets pushed and the other not? Maybe they have a big portfolio of channel and are pushing the new channel with that, and the topic isn't that interesting. Maybe what happens is if you make a video, the YouTube algorithm basically shows it to a certain amount of people. So like a bucket of, let's say, 50 to 100 people to see how they respond to it. Maybe this bucket, you got unlucky and no one in that bucket likes your video. But maybe for the other channel, they had luck with a certain bucket their video got placed in, and these people did like it. So this is also why, Lisa, you can like try to making a new channel, uploading those videos again. Maybe you do get more lucky with who YouTube pushes your video to, and you have like better luck of getting more views. But this is also not guaranteed again.
But then when do you get shadow banned, or when
You
is your
can,
channel
yeah. So you only get like, first of all, it's hard to know if you are actually shadow banned. But if you like do things that are against the rules of YouTube very often, and you have a lot of channels linked to your IP address or to your AdSense account, you can get in troubles with YouTube actually shadow banning you for like stealing people's content and getting copyright strikes and getting your channel striked or your channel deleted or your AdSense deleted or problems with your AdSense. And in this, some weird cases, they can strike your IP address or make it so that if you upload something for your IP address, you don't get any views. But I think it's very rare for this to happen, and you really have to do something weird for this to happen. Usually, it really comes down to just making better content and finding a better audience for your content to view.